Work.
What are we doing?
We're, well, tell them, Cal, what are we doing here?
I'm going to let you, if you don't mind, I'll let you do it.
Well, I think he wants to, hold it, let me squirt a little smoke down inside.
There you go.
I think he wants to pull a couple of frames of honey.
Oh, no kidding.
But there isn't any.
Well, there wasn't any on the other one.
Now that's a little bit of smoke. That wasn't very much.
No, you don't want to OD on the smoke because they, that messes up their defenses. This is the time of year where they'll really rob.
Uh-huh.
You want me to feel that?
Oh, there you go.
Okay, so Cal, there's your honey. You got 1, 2, 3. It looks like pennyroyal.
Oh, good.
Be a little bit strong.
I'm going to peel this while you're doing that.
Okay.
I've got a rack here if you want hanging on it, whatever you want to do. I also have a brush.
Well,
Took care of that.
so you're gonna scrape that off or something?
Yeah, right.
You want how many? Couple?
Yeah, whatever's fair.
One for me and one for him.
Okay. As long as there's no brood in it. No brood.
Yeah. No brood.
Let me just look.
This is
That's
the one you thought might have a
Can you find one with some
queen.
brood?
that's dark. That's what they made last, pennyroyal. Well, not in this box.
Uh-huh. Is that a good sign that,
Well, yeah. Well, they pile the brood. No, they put the honey above the brood,
yes.
and then in the winter they start at the bottom and they eat their way up, and in the springtime. Well, this is your heaviest frame right here. Feels like. Get those two. There you go. Okay. Well, two's enough. More? What do you think?
I don't know. I would say that you have the best sense of what we can get and what we can't. So
Well,
this is the one that's supposed
well,
to.
you can't
You think
you
this
can't
is,
switch frames out
right?
because they're different sizes. So, here, the formic we're putting on is organic, so you can still come back and technically.
Well, but should I not or not? Should we take?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
we can only leave this open so long.
Go ahead. What do you want to do?
What do you want to do? You got to decide.
I have no. If that makes any sense.
See, that's not capped, which doesn't mean it's not honey, but this time of the day, year. See, they all got their heads in there.
Right.
There's no shakeout or
Leave
nothing.
them alone, huh?
Well, eventually, come winter, you want to take this off, because otherwise they got to heat this whole area,
All right.
and there won't be.
Well, let me ask you. Should we take it off right now? Just asking.
You got a safe place to put it, because it's safe on here.
Yeah, I think so.
It's safe on here for now until you got a plan what to do.
Okay.
Okay, so we need to protect this.
Forget that. No, you don't want to do that because it's beautiful. I was just thinking that.
That one doesn't happen until next year, because it's not even drawn out. See, you can check out how much honey there's in this. Not much, really. So just a couple frames and partial, you know. Let me teach them a lesson here. You don't want to use too much smoke. A lot of times, this time of the year, I just blow at them. Okay, so I'll show you a frame of brood. We'll pull one.
Okay.
We'll go like this.
Oh, yeah.
In fact, I'll give them a little bit of space so I don't drag bees across up and down. See, those brownish caps are brood, though everything's almost hatched out. The next frame over. Okay, I'll look for the queen before I set this down. No cue. If I had my glass, oh yeah, that's all got larvae in it.
Right, I see that now.
So that'll soon be capped. Let me set this right here. And I'll pull out a real frame of brood right here. Okay, up gently. Okay, this is the side with the brood on it.
Oh, there we go.
No cue.
You don't see the queen?
Nope.
Nope.
She's smart. When we took the top box off, she went down.
Uh-huh.
She didn't like sunlight or harassment or smoke or.
There you go.
Do we need to cut any of this off?
Well, you know, it's easier when they're all together. You can get a whole bunch of squished bees and stuff if you. This one might be a little, well, I'll get a little bit of it. 'Cause that's where the formic's going to go. See, this was to the brood. You always want to put it back the way you found it. Brood to brood. Carefully, you don't want to just mash them down.
Right.
Okay, put these frames just spacing back. Okay.
You want me to move these all over or just?
Well, those are pretty locked in. I'd say I'd just leave them.
Okay.
Okay, it's a common problem. Where's my other hive tool? Okay. Now. So when you get it this far and see the bees coming out, you change their mind. Just go give them a little bit of smoke there. Doesn't take gobs. Okay, here it goes. Okay, that one's heavy. They got enough for winter.
Well, can we steal some more out of the top?
No, you never want to take anything out of there.
No, I mean this other one. This one
Oh, yeah.
here. Okay.
I mean, they're good up
Do
there.
you want me to peel some more of these?
Yeah,
What's the purpose in taking that off?
this wax.
Yep.
We're making room for the formic to go in there. You don't try not to mash any of these. They'll try to get in your way. We're just taking the stuff that doesn't have the wax, that doesn't have honey in it.
Are they gonna, can they recycle that?
The wax?
Yeah.
No. But the beekeeper can. Here's something to know when you go like, oh, I'm gonna pull a frame.
Yeah.
So you pull one up, you push one back down.
You want the broom?
No. You're squishing honey on bees on stuff.
Right. You're squishing.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna lay this right here.
There you go. That's a nice, effective use of that tool.
And you always cross your fingers that it doesn't fall.
Fall. Yeah.
So what happened to our? There it is. The formic strip. It's a half a dose. It's organic. It's got this paper.
So this is
It's a
food
knock-
or medicine?
This kills the mites. So you want to put that right in the middle of the brood.
Ooh, that's strong.
There's brood high, brood low.
We got some flattened bees over there.
Yeah, they'll take out the garbage.
There's a couple of them that got smashed.
He has a hole in his hat. He says, "Hey, get up there and find the hole in his
Yeah,
hat." Right there.
I'm
So you
sweating.
wanted to take a couple more?
Yeah, let's take everything we can. It's all right. We'll go shake them off in there. You got to change brand.
And
This one here's got.
So this doesn't have any brood, huh?
nope. Just got honey.
Yep.
Well,
Yeah, that's a lot of bees.
They're not happy now.
No, your technique isn't quite as good.
There's a yellow jacket. There was a yellow jacket. We're not even going to put this back on.
No.
So we're just going to empty it.
yeah.
So they're just going to have 2 large
Yeah.
boxes
Yep.
for the winter time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you're taking all the honey off the
Well,
top
there's
box.
no honey really.
Oh, there
there's
isn't
a
any.
couple, 3 frames. There.
Uh-huh.
All their weights down below.
I see.
They're in there drinking away.
There you go. Cool.
Well, the yellow jackets found it already.
Yeah, will they attack the yellow jackets?
Oh yeah. They'll try. The yellow jackets
Where
will
you
try
put
to.
the ones with the honey?
I just. Well, we're gonna put it right back in this box in a half a second.
Cool.
I'm just gonna make 100% sure there's no queue.
Right. So we're looking for the queen, just by a crazy accident that she might be up here, huh?
Yeah.
Can I sweep these
No.
up into there?
No,
Okay.
because what we need to do is get that last bee out of there.
Every bee counts, apparently.
And this is heavy. This is
Yeah,
worth,
yeah, that's a heavy one.
This is worth some money in copper. Okay. We need to put all those frames back in.
Okay, right now. We're on.
Okay, get in there and fly. One of the two. Okay, so there. This has got the entrance right there.
So how do you get this off of there?
What's that?
Off the edges?
Well, you don't crush them. You just kind of.
Be careful, huh?
You just, if you just kind of lightly, they'll move. Except for, I didn't do
one.
that.
No, you didn't. That's
No,
right. It's
that
been
was-
squished already.
That was a cow kill.
Yeah. Way to go, Cal.
I wasn't even down there before.
No,
That's old then.
Yeah.
Cal tries to be careful and then he just drops it on top.
You know how many you got when you hear the crunching.
Boy, they're all over this stuff, though, aren't they? Look at that.
Okay, we're good. Oh yeah, we don't want to incite a riot. We probably better take that away. 1/2 dose What's the date today?
Today's 9, I think it's 17.
17.
We are.
Well, I better write it on this one too.